Kenya loses about 200 billion shillings annually to trade in contraband.
Tackling of illicit and counterfeit is quite a big task for us as manufacturers, and working with ACA in addressing this issue, we believe that the new amendments will help us and support us in tackling this.
The government has drafted amendments to the Anti Counterfeit Act 2008 to bolster the fight against contrabands and promote intellectual property. Among the proposed amendments is a new requirement of recording trademarks in respect of imported goods, notwithstanding the place of registration with the Anti Counterfeit Agency's enforcement database.
Goods which will be imported into Kenya going forward must be recorded for purposes of enforcement. That is not to say they must be registered. However, we encourage registration with KIPI, because if your goods are registered with KIPI and they are recorded with us as an IP, you are in a better position for us to protect.
The idea for us is we just want to be able to afford to have this database, because it's going to be so important, and to be able to give service to the country, and to be able to to afford to do the raids and the seizures. They're not cheap.
Possessing or controlling packaging of any kind, including labels with a counterfeit mark, likely to cause confusion, mistake or deceive, as well as aiding or abating counterfeiting, is among the new offences.
And it happened a lot with toners, and especially drugs. Somebody would bring in the drugs and bring in a packaging and put them together separately. Now we have said goods must come in their full package, fully branded.
The Anti Counterfeit Agency Chair, Flora Mutahi, says criminalizing importation of unbranded goods, say from raw materials, will deter infiltration of counterfeits, especially medicine and pharmaceuticals that are highly counterfeited.
For you to record, we are proposing some charges, but that is not to say that the anti-counterfeiting device will also come with a cost to the manufacturer.
Innovators are calling for a review of trademark registration charges.
Amendments to the Anti Counterfeit Act of 2008 have largely expanded the mandate of the Anti Counterfeit Agency, that now has the power to seize and destroy imports into Kenya that lack the anti-counterfeit security device, while suspects dealing with counterfeits have to forfeit any benefits and profits therefrom. Regina Manyara Gitao reporting for Channel 1 Business.